Hi, delightful people, you're welcome back. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make sweet soya milk for family and for commercial purposes. So, if you want to learn how I made this, keep watching. First is to clean and wash the soya beans, and then soak the soya beans in hot water for 12 hours, or you can soak it overnight. After 12 hours or the next day, the soya beans have doubled in size, so we'll go ahead to wash and clean it. We're going to wash this for like 4 to 5 times until the water runs clear. If this is your first time of coming across our video, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you would know when a new video is dropped on this channel. Thank you. And to all my subscribers and returning viewers, thank you so much for always tuning in to watch. God bless you all. After washing the soya beans, then I added a little bit of ginger because my customers love the flavor it gives to soya milk. So I'll go ahead to blend the soya beans now. This is 5.5 cups of soya beans. So I'll be using 5 liters of water to blend. This will give us 4.5 liters of soya milk at the end. But if you want your soya milk to be the consistency to be thick, you reduce the amount of water to use while blending. So after blending, I added more little water from the 5 liters of water that we have, that we're using to blend the beans, because the consistency after blending was still very thick. So I added more water to it. And our plan is to make sure we finish the 5 liters of water so that at the end we will have 4.5 liters of soya milk. Okay, so at this point I'm going to strain or extract the soya milk using a cheesecloth. One thing with soya milk is that it's generally good for everyone, both men, women, and children. It has a whole lot of health benefits. It helps to reduce the risk of diseases, it helps to lower blood pressure, it has anti inflammatory properties, It also helps to reduce hot flashes, one of the symptoms of menopause in women. It also helps to improve sleep. It has a lot, and it also has its own side effects. So you take soya milk in moderations, okay? So after I strained out the milk, I will transfer it in a bigger pot that I will use to boil the milk. Then I'll boil the milk on a very low heat for 45 minutes. Boiling is to deactivate the enzymes in the bean that are not healthy to our body. Also, boiling helps to kill any harmful bacteria that may be present in the raw milk. Then, next, mix the powdered milk with some of the soya milk. Then I mixed it. Then I added a cup or 2 cups of sugar. Then I added a teaspoon or 1 spoon or 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. That is the flavor I'm using for the soya milk. Then I'll mix everything together, then add it to the soya milk.